Moment by moment, cellular renewal takes place. Like the moving water of a river, individual cells in our body are constantly changing, living for a limited period and being recreated through cellular regeneration. This process happens with all cells in our body, and every part of our body experiences this cycle. Cells age, decline, and die, and new ones are created to replace them. Red blood cells have a lifespan of 80 to 120 days, with 2.5% of them being replaced daily. White blood cells, which carry lymphocytes, only about 30 days before they are replaced. The cells lining your stomach and intestines are renewed every 1 to 3 days, while your lung alveoli cells, which capture oxygen, last only 8 days. Skin cells are replaced approximately every 15 days, and up to 20% of your cardiomyocytes, heart muscle cells, are replaced each year. Every cell in your body has a limited life cycle, including those in our internal organs. Once this cycle is complete, the dead cells are removed as waste. Even osteoblasts, the cells that help build bone, live for just around 30 days. This constant renewal of our cells ensures that our bodies stay functional and healthy even as the individual cells are replaced over time.
This video is about the steps needed for a healthy body. The key is cellular renewal. Old cells die, dead cells removed as waste products, and new cells are created from adult stem cells through the process of mechanotransduction. Mechanotransduction means the physical force that's placed, particularly on the flat bones, to generate new adult stem cells. Muscular contraction is needed for dead cell removal by the lymphatic system. Let's learn more about how this works in our body.
Mechanotransduction, or physical force when applied to the flat bones of an adult, produces adult stem cells, including lymphocytes like macrophages. The bone marrow in the scapula, hip, ribs, and sternum become the production center for new cells. The macrophages pick off cellular waste and deposit it into the lymphatic vessels. Muscular contraction and release move that fluid upward to be emptied into the subclavian vein. All the lymph fluid from the feet, legs, hips, and waist moves upward to the cisterna just below the sternum. From there, it is lifted to be emptied only into the left subclavian vein. The left arm, left chest, and left side of the head also drain into the left side. The right arm, chest, and head drain the fluid only into the right subclavian vein. Check flow valves prevent the fluid from returning. Movement is essential for a healthy immune system.